What are the key locations of the fuse boxes in the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro, and how can drivers access them for maintenance? How does the fuse box diagram assist in identifying and troubleshooting electrical issues within the vehicle? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro houses fuses that protect vital engine and electrical systems, including the cooling fan, fuel pump, and ignition components. It features clearly labeled fuses and relays for easy identification and replacement. This fuse block plays a crucial role in maintaining the safe and efficient operation of the vehicle's powertrain and electrical systems. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro contains fuses that protect electrical components located at the back of the vehicle, such as tail lights, rear sensors, and audio systems. It is designed with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and replacement, ensuring quick troubleshooting. This fuse block helps maintain the proper functioning of rear lighting and electronic features, enhancing safety and convenience. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.